much. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Booker. Senator Ernst.
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair and Ranking Member, and thanks to all of our witnesses for being here today and for your testimony. While I travel across Iowa, I visit all 99 counties every single year in Iowa, and as I'm out on that county tour, and we've done a number of Farm Bill roundtables with various stakeholders, our farmers, our ranchers, and what I'm hearing is that those farmers are really excited about the future, and they're consistently sharing with me about new science, technology, innovations, and that's all great. But they also tell me about the challenges and uncertainty that farmers are facing with supply chain disruptions. There's a lot of high input costs and market volatility. And so it's clear, and they mention this over and over again, that risk management is their top priority for those farmers. And we must continue to strengthen our farm safety net. And during the last Farm Bill, I introduced legislation to improve the Ark County program, and we were successful in passing several enhancements, including the use of crop insurance yield data instead of NASS data, and making payments for the physical location of the farm. Mr. Duvall, we'll start with you. How has Ark functioned with those changes in place, and what suggestions do you and your Farm Bureau members have to improve on that program?
To ditto what you said, it is a very important piece of the risk management tool that our farmers use, and I have not found very many complaints of how it is operating. I think our last Farm Bill has operated very well. We took a change in how we developed the programs, and I think it's worked very well.
Good. I appreciate that feedback, because we always want to make sure that if there is room for improvement, we are improving those programs, and we're glad that what we were able to work on in the last Farm Bill is proving successful. Mr. Duvall, there's a lot of disasters that we see happening across the United States that's impacting a lot of our farmers and ranchers. In Iowa, for example, we had a derecho just a couple years ago that destroyed many Iowa farms. Can you explain your farmer members' experience with the current ARC maximum payment rate and how it has limited assistance?
Not sure I can speak to that.
Okay. Do you have any thoughts on that, Mr. LaRue?
I think that those maximums in there very simply just limit the ability that those programs have to be helpful when they're called upon to be the safety net. So, without getting any more deeper than that, we certainly want to see those changed.
Yeah, but you would both also state, though, that because of some of the weather events, it's extremely important to have these protections in place, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very much, and crop insurance reacts a lot faster than ad hoc. So when farmers participate in that risk management tool, they are the claims are made and they get return on their investment a lot quicker than they would through ad hoc.
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate that. And I know how important that crop insurance is. And again, hear that so much from our farmers. And that's one thing that I stress to people that aren't in ag country, because for some reason they think the entirety of the Farm Bill is crop insurance. And I always have to make the point that such an insignificant, not insignificant, but small amount within the Farm Bill is actually crop insurance. And the vast majority of the Farm Bill is actually the food bill. So really appreciate your comments this morning, and appreciate the folks on this committee that are working very hard to make sure that crop insurance stays available to those who need it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Senator Hoeven.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and thanks for holding this hearing, and thanks to both of the witnesses for coming today. My first question, both of you, it just picks up on something that Senator Ernst just mentioned.